How to get compensation for delayed flight British Airways. If your British Airways flight is delayed, you may be entitled to compensation or a refund, depending on the length of the delay and the cause. If your flight is delayed by 5 hours or more, and you decide not to travel, you can request a refund for the parts of your journey that you did not take. If you've already started your journey and the delay disrupts your connecting flight, booked under the same reference, you may also be eligible for a refund of the unused portion of your trip. If your delay is more than 3 hours at your final destination and was caused by factors within British Airways' control rather than extraordinary circumstances like severe weather or air traffic control strikes, you may be able to claim compensation. The amount you receive will depend on the length of the delay and the distance of your flight, following EU regulations. If your connecting flight is affected, British Airways will automatically rebook you on the next available flight to help minimize disruptions. The One World Global Support Team at key airports can assist with rebooking, boarding passes, and even overnight accommodation if necessary. However, if your connecting flight was booked separately with another airline, you'll need to contact that airline directly for assistance. To claim compensation or a refund, visit the Manage My Booking section on the British Airways website. If you booked through a travel agent or tour operator, you should contact them first. If you have trouble securing your refund, British Airways customer service can assist you further. If you've already started your journey and need help, call the British Airways Holidays 24-hour helpline with the number found on your booking confirmation. If you haven't travelled yet, you can contact British Airways customer service in the UK or US for further assistance.